Alright guys, so this video is going to be the final review on my gem blender. You guys, I don't know if you know this, or you probably don't, but I've been using this ever since I have gotten it. From the time I did that video, I've been using it. You guys know I got three. I got the purple one that's shaped like this, I believe, or more like the beauty blender, I don't know. And then I got a triangular one. To be quite honest with you, I'm not fond of the triangular one. It's just very weird for me to hold. I'm very much used to this, like this shape, so it's easy for me to work with. Now I have some pros and I have some cons about this. You guys saw my first impressions on this gem blender, and they were accurate, they were authentic, they were real. I was trying it out for the very first time and I gave my initial thoughts. Now I think it is only fair for you guys who probably still thinking, you know, if you should get it or not, to just give my last 2 cents on this matter. This is a game changer. I bought this with my own money. It wasn't sent to me by the company. And I didn't say, hey, I'm going to buy and do a review, you know, can I get a coupon code? No. I didn't ask for, I'm not getting paid, none of that. This is just me being a regular person who buys makeup on here and see it trending and like, okay, maybe my subscribers want to know about this. This I bought because I was curious about it and I decided to introduce you guys to the gem blender. Some of you are only knowing about the gem blender through me doing that video. You guys didn't even know that the gem blender exists, and it does. Now I will say this again, this gem blender is a game changer. Do not play with this thing. I don't know how they got the idea to do it with gem blender. I don't know how. I don't know what. I don't know. But it is absolutely phenomenal. Now sometimes I went way too heavy on my foundation and I had to get a brush or one of my beauty blenders to absorb the product. This leaves nothing behind. Whatever you put on your face, it's going to stay there. You know how the brush will absorb some of your foundation, and the beauty blender would absorb some, and sponges in general. Sponges absorb this by beauty blender, sorry, Morphe, Ofra, wherever, whomever, Elf, whomever. Sponges absorb. That's what they do, and that's why it blends out so nicely, because it's actually absorbing. So it's taking away the excess, right? This is a game changer. I use it to do my foundation as well as my highlight. This leaves no product behind. It deposits everything on your face and on your client's face. And I will say, this is a professional game changer. This is an industry game changer, because makeup artists, we need this in our kit. When I tell you, say none of your foundation now go is good, not even a drop. It puts everything on the client's skin. Now it may feel weird on the client, I must say, because sometimes when I'm using it, I'm like, oh my god, it's so weird. And sometimes I feel like I have to be like doing this too fast, whereas if I was using a sponge or a brush, I wouldn't have to be working so hard because it would absorb. So it's the absorbing that makes it seem as if it's blending out quicker or it's going faster, because it's removing product from your skin. It's removing product from a canvas or from a client or from whatever. It's removing product. So in removing product, less is going to be there, so it will appear a bit blended out. This doesn't do that. It removes nothing. It leaves everything on your canvas, everything on your client, everything on your skin. I've used this with liquids and I've used this with cream, but I do notice that with cream, oh baby, with my black opal, oh, I've been using black opal Caro, I'm back to using Caro. This girl, it blends out just like smoothly. And I've also been trying Jackie Aina's powder technique. I'm going to do a separate video on that as well. Like, does it work? Do it work or not, mama? Does it work or not? But need this in your kit. If you're a professional, if you're a makeup artist, you need this in your kit. You need this in your kit, and it's a black owned makeup brand. Need I say more? We doing it, man. We is doing the damn thing. Okay, So my final thoughts on my gem blender is I really prefer this one. I saw that they have like an oval shaped one. I'd love to get that one, but I don't think it's in stock, because when I went on there to purchase, I saw this one and the other one, and it said pre-order on it. I'm not sure, I wasn't sure why, so I wasn't really expecting to get anything because it said pre-order, and like most of us who shop, I don't really look at the fine print, but it did say pre-order and I got it. So I was like, alright then, cool, so maybe they have in stock. So I've on their Instagram page, I see like this see-through one with like some dust in it. I'm like, oh my god, when is that one going to be available? Because mama needs, mama wants, mama loves gem blender. Heck, heaven yes, heaven yes to the gem blender, boo boo. Heaven yes, 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 yes. Definitely lyric approved, definitely lyric certified. Yes, yes, yes. So that's it for this video. Again, I'm doing 31 days of videos here on my channel. If you have not yet subscribed, please do so. It is absolutely free to subscribe, and I'm sorry for asking of this, but I'm hearing that some of you guys aren't getting the notification, like, oh no, no, say my videos don't pop up into your subscription list, let me say it that way. So please go ahead and click the notification bell if it's not too much of a problem for you guys, so that you will know when I upload a video. So that's it for me and this video, and I'll talk to you guys in the next one. Bye guys.